गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ। Question. Somebody has said, what is Bhakti Ras? Can you talk about it? Bhakti Ras. Juice of Bhakti. Ras means intoxication. You have to be intoxicated for the love of God. और एक पागलपन आ जाता है, ऐसे लगता है कि मैं मर जाऊंगा. If I don't get God, I'm overdone with. I'm drowning in the sea. I'm drowning. I need a breath of fresh air. And तुम कहाँ हो? I want you and nothing else in this world. वो एक नशा चढ़ जाता है भक्ति रस का. Look at all these people. Mirabai, Ramakrishna Paramhans. Look at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. कीर्तन करके अपने मस्त रहते थे. They were in love with God so much. All these examples are in front of us. Look at them. Unbelievable bhakti. Unbelievable that they didn't care for anything around them. Hats off to these people. Hats off, really. One can't even imagine कि ये होता कैसे है, you know. ये कैसे होता है. हम लोग तो थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज में चिंता करने बैठ जाते हैं, you know. But look at them. You see, they say Navada Bhakti is the highest bhakti, you know, the path of Navada, where there are 9 steps. So the first is Shravan. Okay, you listen to saints and sages and, you know, sit with them and do satsang. क्योंकि धीरे धीरे डेवलप हो जाता है when you keep the company of such people. So पहले तो श्रवण होता है, वो सुन सुन के then you attend to kirtan. So when people are singing the glory of the God, of the Lord, you sit and listen to the kirtan and go into that masti. So kirtan हुआ, so श्रवण पहले हुआ, फिर kirtan हुआ, फिर स्मरण हुआ. स्मरण, contemplation on what you have gone through. You've heard, then you listen to kirtan and all, then you ask yourself the inquiry. Who am I? Why have I come here? What is the purpose of my coming here? So you go into that contemplation of self-inquiry. स्मरण होता है, फिर पाद सेवन होता है. यानी you have, then you feel like, bhakti जो है, you feel like having a temple of your own, putting your murtis over there of your isht, of the Bhagwan that you're in love with, and slowly you develop interest in that. So you do the Pad Sevan, you do the Shringar, you do Paduka Abhishek करेंगे आप, उनको नहलाएंगे, श्रृंगार करेंगे, and you are in that masti whole day, where you identify that murti, that this is your isht and he is alive. So वो सेवा में आप लग जाते हैं in your mandir. You know, whatever you have in the house. Then comes Archana, then comes Vandana. So अर्चन करते हैं आप, उसकी पूजा पाठ करते हैं, बैठ के आप नाम जप करेंगे, आप ढूंढेंगे, आप किसी को ढूंढेंगे, फिर वंदन करेंगे, आप प्रणाम करेंगे, आप कहेंगे कि I am yours, please accept me. It slowly goes up, you know. Then Dasya Bhakti आता है, where you realize that you are nobody. You're just a servant of the Lord. So आप दास बन जाते हैं और भगवान को कहते हैं I have no identity. You are everything for me. I am just a nobody. And मैं तुम्हारा दास, तुम मेरे भगवान, मैं तुम्हारा servant. वो आ जाता है. उसके बाद आता है सख्या भक्ति. मैं तुम्हारी सखी या मैं तुम्हारा सखा. And accept me as your friend. And you are my friend and please accept me. और जब भगवान कह दे कि आई एम योर फ्रेंड, तब तो आपका बेड़ा पार है कि नहीं. सो दैट कम्स टू सख्या भक्ति. एंड फाइनली इट कम्स टू आत्म निवेदन. your Atma, you have surrendered completely to God. There's nothing left beyond that. So this is the Navadha Bhakti that people practice and which Prahlad had told his father, which is in the Bhagavad. This is the highest form of bhakti, where slowly, that interest is created. And you climb the ladder, and you climb the ladder, and you climb. This has to be total dedication, total devotion towards God. ये एक घंटे की बात नहीं है, दिन में 1 घंटा ये हुआ, 1 घंटा वो हुआ, वो नहीं है. भक्ति रस में तो लोग पागल हो जाते हैं. वो रस है, जूस है. The essence of everything is bhakti. भक्ति में डूब जाओ, उसके आगे तो कुछ है ही नहीं. फिर भक्ति में इतना डूब गए तो मीराबाई का क्या हुआ? She became one with God. She merged into his मूर्ति. रामकृष्ण का क्या हुआ? ठाकुर जी का. Oh, पागलपन. He would be sitting in her lap, Kali Ma's lap. He would be feeding her. He never thought that this was different from him. And at times he said, yes, you're my mother, I'm your servant. I'll feed you, I'll be with you. His entire life was that. Finally what? He merges with Kali Ma. But he again, Kali Ma says, go into Samadhi, which I have discussed earlier also. And take a khadga and chop off my head. And he says, no, I can't do that. She said, do it. Then you'll know that you're one with me, you're not different. And you are everything. Just now you feel that I am separate from you, but we are not separate. So she asks him to do this experiment, and he does it when he goes into Samadhi and chops off her head with the khadga. And zoom, he's one with Kali. There is no Kali. Ramakrishna Paramhans bhi nahi hai. Main hi sab kuch. I am that. And he gets frightened when he comes back from Samadhi. This was a state of Samadhi which Ma had asked him to experiment. And when he comes back, वो 2 हाथ जोड़ के माँ को कहते हैं, नहीं, I want to be your das. You are my Bhagwan and I am your servant, and I enjoy that. I'm enjoying that bhakti. So why do you want me to be one with you? I don't want to merge with you. I want to remain like this, where I'm your servant and I do seva. और उसमें जो मुझे मस्ती मिलती है, वो कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. So let me be. Then your free will comes in. वो इच्छा शक्ति आपकी है जो आप कह सकते हैं, because you're free, you're enlightened, you're self-realized. At that point you can choose your own thing and say, I want to remain like this. That is your wish, and it works. But you have to be enlightened at that point. So भक्ति में तो बहुत कुछ है, ऐसा नहीं कि ज्ञान में नहीं है, बहुत कुछ है. If you reach that stage, the stage of practice is tough. बहुत तपस्या करनी पड़ती है. तपस्या करो करो करो, एक जन्म में भी नहीं होगा. हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. So this sadhana that you do in one lifetime never goes waste. Even if when you take another birth, your parents will be different, your environment will be different, your family will be different, everything will be different, your friends will be maybe different. But this sadhana that you have done never goes waste. It's a carry forward. ये आपके संस्कार बन गए. वो संस्कार आपको tendencies बन गई. Of जब तब sadhana, whatever, it carries forward in the next birth and the next and the next till you come to moksha, till you come to enlightenment. So बहुत कुछ है. और माँ ने तो कहा ही है कि नाम करते जाओ, नाम में सब कुछ. The simplest thing she's given us is to do Nam. So why complicate things and get confused and think of theories and think of different things? Why waste time? Life is too short. नाम लो और करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ. जो माँ ने कहा है वही करते जाओ. जब भगवान खुद कह रहे हैं तो what are we waiting for? So that's that. Jai Ma. ओम भवताप प्रणाशिने आनंद घनमूर्ते ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः. जय माँ, जय माँ.